Hi, Jenna. I have your scan analysis here. So I printed up your scan that you took in April, and I compared it to the scan that you took on Saturday. So let me just show you some of the things that I found, and then that'll kind of guide us what we need to do. All right, so this was less actually, minus 0.9. All right, so water is less 0.9 pounds from April, which is insignificant. And most of it, you lost the extracellular water. So you might have been a little bit dehydrated when you took this second scan. No big deal. So you did lose 1/2 pound of dry lean mass, which is muscle cells, which is, we definitely don't want to see that continue. We want to see that number go up. And you gained 3.6 pounds of body fat. So your dry lean mass, which is muscle and water, you lost 1.4 pounds, and that number we always want to see go up. And you gained 3.6 pounds of body fat, which is not significant. I'm not worried about that, but your net gain since April is 2.2 pounds. Okay, so if you take a look at your April scan, your C shape is almost an I, and over here it's a little bit more of a pronounced D, so you can either C, I, or D. D is the goal. Okay, so obviously for you, we want to see you work to an I, which means that your body weight would go down in the form of body fat, and then your skeletal muscle mass would go out. But even since April, you actually have gained you gained 0.2 pounds of skeletal muscle mass. So not significant. That's your bones and muscle together, which is interesting because you lost 1/2 pound there, but you gained there. All right. So again, we want to see your skeletal muscle mass go out, body weight go in, and body fat go in. And that would give you the D shape. Okay, so in terms of body fat, you did only gain 1.6% of your body fat since April. And if we take a look at your muscle gain, you actually you got significantly stronger in your right arm. You gained 6% ability to support your body weight. So you see how it says 126 down here. We want these numbers to be over 100% ability to support your body weight. And you went from 120.5 to 126. So 5.5% ability to support your body weight, which is great. In your left arm, you gained 1.2% ability to support your body weight. Your trunk and core, you gained 3% ability to support your body weight, which is great. And then your legs, you actually decreased a little bit. So you were at 102 and 104. And that dropped down on you a little bit. Okay, so we would definitely want to get those back up to 100 and well over 100, which should happen. Now, if you take a look at the recommendations of body fat loss, so in April, it recommended that you lose 24 pounds, and now that's an increase. So it's recommending that you lose 28 pounds, which makes sense with that 3.6 pound gain. So where did you gain the body fat? 0.2 pounds in each arm, and then 2.9 pounds, almost 3 pounds in your trunk. And then you actually lost a little body fat in your legs since April. And your visceral fat levels did go up too since April, and this was something that we definitely want to see. This is that internal fat that we want to see that go down significantly. So hopefully with the change you're going to make and, being more disciplined with alcohol intake and that kind of thing, we'll see some good movement here. We're going to take a scan again in 4 weeks and see what happens and take it from there. Let me know if you have questions.